Hey guys, welcome back. Now, each month, Cathie Wood and the team at Ark Invest do a thorough analysis on crypto. Well, more specifically, Bitcoin. Now, even though it is specifically done on Bitcoin, anyone who's been following crypto for a while know that they two are highly correlated. If Bitcoin does well, then altcoins do very well. And if Bitcoin does bad, then the entire crypto market does very, very bad. So Bitcoin is still a great proxy for the crypto market. And with that being said, we're going to cover the three biggest takeaways from this month's analysis. Number one, the fact that Bitcoin is actually looking very, very strong, and even some bull market signals were triggered. Number two, we have some great news for all Ethereum fans out there. And then number three, Ark Invest is warning that a recession is likely coming our way. And so now is the time to prepare. Okay, first up, despite turmoil in the broader financial markets, Bitcoin has actually been showing some strength, and even some bull market signals have been triggered. And so first up, we have some great Bitcoin analysis, and this is Bitcoin's 200-week moving average and the realized price. And here shows a very distinct 4-year cycle of these huge runs in crypto, the big devastating crypto winters, big runs, big crashes. This is the one we just went through with the big crash as well. In green, we have the 200-week moving average, and purple is the realized price. Now, historically, Bitcoin's price doesn't really go below, only when it's fully capitulated here, and here most recently, signaling that a bottom was likely in. So this is certainly a bullish chart for Bitcoin as long as this 4-year cycle holds up, but it hasn't been battle tested for recession. Next up, a bit of a mouthful, the long-term holder spent output price ratio. And this also has triggered a bullish trend. And long-term holders are people holding coins for over 155 days, which is about 5 months. And basically what it's saying, again, you can see the big capitulation events every 4 years, and it's now just gone above this 1 mark, which historically has been a confirmation for a bullish trend. And finally, for Bitcoin, there was a lot of speculation about what's going to happen with the recovery of the Mt. Gox Bitcoin, and also all the Bitcoin that the US government had. And the fears were that one or both of these coming onto the market was going to crash the price. And what Ark Invest have shown is that nothing's really happened with the Mt. Gox Bitcoin, and the government really didn't sell that much. And what was sold didn't really impact Bitcoin's price. So far, the fears of all this Bitcoin coming onto the market hasn't affected price. Now, next up, we have some great news for all Ethereum fans, and it was to do with the Shanghai upgrade. And basically, for the last year or so, people have been able to deposit Ethereum onto the Beacon chain and earn a yield, but they've not been able to take their Ethereum off. And I'm sure you can spot in this chart when this upgrade happened, and all of a sudden people were able to withdraw their Ethereum. And again, lots of people were saying that a massive crash was going to happen when loads of Ethereum was being sold. And yes, the withdrawals did outpace the deposits initially, but now this has now flipped. And in fact, I went to get some more recent data, and this is how it looks right now, with the green line being the net change. So leading up to it, there was more deposits than withdrawals. Obviously, as they weren't able to withdraw, there was a lot of people finally able to get their Ethereum back. But then more recently, a lot more people are staking than unstaking. So this is really positive, great news for Ethereum. As more and more people stake their Ethereum, it takes it off the market. So if this continues, it's going to be really strong for Ethereum. And then finally, unfortunately, Ark Invest seem to be talking a lot more about a recession than the coming bull market. And first up, we have the leading economic index. And what they're saying is that this has been falling month after month after month. And this is now 12 months straight down. And when this happens, you can see the gray bars, it typically signals a recession. And this also correlates with GDP. So as this falls, GDP is also falling. So this index is signaling a recession. And then this is what's happening with people and their jobless claims. And you can see from October 2022, this is just going higher and higher and higher. It's now 44% higher than September, and it's also now passing previous highs. And so if this trend continues, more and more people are claiming, and we're finally going to see the employment figure start to come down. Again, just another signal saying we're heading into recession. And so the key points from this month's Ark Invest analysis were: the bottom of the crypto market looks like it may have been hit end of last year, especially if this 4-year cycle repeats. After the big Shanghai update to Ethereum, where lots of people were predicting a big crash due to people finally being able to de-stake, well, in fact, the opposite has happened and things are looking very, very strong for Ethereum. And Ark Invest are warning more and more about a coming recession. And if you've watched any of my previous videos, then you know that recessions are not good for risk assets. So there you are, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Now tell me, what do you think is going to happen to crypto in a recession, as it's not really being battle tested for recession yet? Let me know below. And for now, just to say, if you did enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.